Yeah. Oh, I'm so glad.
I can't read that.
Oh, right. Okay. Okay. Those were $4 yesterday, so they're $2 today.
I think we're gonna take that. Here's the top. It's kind of cool.
We have one at our sale next weekend.
Oops.
We have a cedar chest. Yeah, I was just looking. Not some.
Oh, that's really cute. $2, but it's not signed.
What's that? Oh, that painting was gorgeous.
It was kind of stupid to not. And I live in Lennox. I was like,
Yeah, that's what he said. He bought it at about 1 o'clock, 1:30. He's like, you know what? We love it too much to take it.
exactly.
Yeah.
Oh,
Thank you. I'm sorry.
all right. It was worth a try. How you doing?
Patrick. Hey.
It's not signed though.
Howdy. How goes it?
No, she said that.
It goes. I'm gonna take this now because since it's still here and I was debating yesterday.
Oh, they already took the rug out? Oh, no, done.
No, it's right.
Thank you.
These are pretty.
Don't mind me, I'm just being.
Yeah. I'm wondering, should I put that desk on Facebook? Yeah.
This might be a little.
Great Old Century desk. It's only $37.50 today. Yeah, because I don't have signal. I can't even. Probably $2 each, so they'd be $5 for the pair.
Okay.
Sorry, we can't sell common sense half off today.
Oh, look at this. Dog or cat.
Okay. What do we
How
got?
cute.
This lamp.
Okay, which was 45, right? Okay.
It's a letter
They had
holder.
everything up full price.
I like
and
'em.
I cut it in half. And then.
That's pretty. Letter holder. Those are so cute. I might do that for $5. Oh, yeah.
You better not pay $5 for that.
I am.
Yeah,
You go out the sliding door.
definitely wouldn't be easier.
No, I'm just saying, it's probably easier to walk around the garage.
Alright, yeah, we can make it around.
Is it the big one?
Yeah, I think so.
Some stained glass picture frames.
But
She ended up having all.
Not signed, is it?
No, but that's a.
That's really pretty.
Definitely it's a painting.
And let's go upstairs. Not too much in this room. Somebody liked birds. All right, let's go in another room. We have this bedroom. Wow. I don't know what it says. What does it say? These are pretty lamps. It's a pretty table. Nice little wall pocket. It's modern. It is not. What is that? Made in Portugal. That's cool. I don't see a price. And we'll grab that. I love the wall pockets. What's happening? That's adorable. That is adorable. Huh. Cotton. Very cute. Pretty quilt spot. I don't see prices. All right. I think I'm done up here. Look at that quilt. All the teddy bears. Huh. Nine West. These guys are cute. They homemade. They're really cute. She got a big stain on her head. That owl pillow is really cute too. I think. Oh, he's good. Chip. Here's a chip. Yeah, I'm gonna put him back.
Chairs and everything out the front.
All right. This is cool.
I'm sorry. No, it's okay. I just didn't want to like start
We sold both table and chair sets.
Yes, the guy is gonna pull his car in once.
Yeah, once you get that one loaded? Okay. All right.
Yeah, yes.
That's what they say. Happy hunting day. Yes.
Do you need how tables are gone?
Back in the kitchen room. This is a cute set. Italian. Oh, it's got a chip. No. Not even gonna bother. That's it. Do what you love. I'm doing it. I am doing what I love. Oh, that's just cute. This cow tile. It's really cute. I don't see a price on them though. It's cute. Hello. Those are pretty. Butterfly cups. Those are nice. Not a price. These two things do not have prices.
This was 10, it just didn't stick, so it would be
Okay.
5 today, and that was 4, so it would be 2.
Okay. So I'll just keep those in my
Absolutely.
pile. In my bag.
All right.
I think I want to peek out in the garage again. Blondie.
Hi, you're all good.
Thanks. Just wanted to check out here real quick. See what was here. Checks, envelopes. Ba-dum-bum. Oh, it's got a little flower frog inside. It's cute. Just look. It's got the little flower frog inside. And I don't see a signature, but that's really cute. Really cute. All right. Umbrellas. Pretty heavy.
I'm terrible with faces.
Interesting. There's a few of them. There's a set of 4. What does that say? 2.
Hey, you.
All right.
Oh, yeah, go right ahead. You can use them.
Yeah, I would wrap it up.
Absolutely. Please do.
Yeah, we need to do and get this truck out of the.
Yeah, no.